Good morning, students. Now I am going to explain the first exercise in first chapter. In first question, one number line is given. You have to consider that number line. By considering that number line, you can solve that given question. And in question number 2, it is given. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Here we have to find the total. Total means we have to add the scores, given scores. 25 -10 -5 plus 15 plus 10. If you want, you can add the positive numbers first. After that, you can add that negative integers separately. After that, you can calculate the two numbers. 25 plus 15 plus 10, we will get 50. -5 -10, that is -15. One is positive, one is negative, means we have to subtract. 50 minus 15, we will get 35. In question number 3, it is given. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Dropped by 2 degrees means that will be -2 degrees Celsius. And what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Tuesday, we have to find the temperature. And on Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Means we have to find the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday both. And that Monday's temperature is given -5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, that is -2 degree, means we have to add the two temperatures. -5 degrees Celsius plus of -2 means that will be -2 degrees Celsius. Both are negative. We have to add them. -5 -2, that is -7 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, that was rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means that 4 degrees Celsius will be positive. We have to add the plus 4 degrees Celsius to -7 degrees Celsius. We will get one is negative and another one is positive. We have to subtract them. 7 minus 4 is 3. But which 3 that is negative? Because 7 is greater than 4 and sign of 7 is negative sign. That's why we will get -3 degrees Celsius on that Wednesday. And in question number 4, it is given. A plane is flying at the height of 5,000 meter above the sea level at a particular point. It is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? We have to find this distance between plane to submarine. When we are going to turn this page like this, 0, this is 0, and right side of that numbers, these are positives, and left side of the zeros, these are negatives. Means plane from 0 to that 5,000 is positive, and that 1200 kilometer is negative. We can consider. We have to move right to left, means we have to subtract them. Here we have to subtract the 1200 -1200 kilometer from 5,000 kilometer. Means here that is 5,000 minus of -1200 minus of minus, that will become plus. Both are positive, means we have to add them. That final answer we will get 6,200 meters. Means the total required distance will be 6,200 meters. And in question number 5, it is given. Mohan deposits 2,000 rupees in his bank account and withdraws 1,642 rupees from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount of deposit? Obviously, withdrawal amount is negative, means deposited amount is positive. We can consider. We have to find the balance amount. First, with deposited is 2,000. From 2,000 rupees, we have to subtract that withdrawal amount, that is 1,642 rupees. We have to subtract the withdrawal amount from the deposit amount. 2,000 is positive and 1,642 is negative. After subtracting, we will get that final balance is 358 rupees. This is also positive because 2,000 is greater than 1,642. And in question number 6 is given. Rita goes 20 kilometers toward east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represent a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Consider that number line. A means here we can consider that A as 0 and right side of that 0 is positive, means moving towards east is positive direction, we can consider as positive numbers. Moving towards west means we can consider as negative. Here A to B moving east direction means the 20 kilometers is positive, we can consider, and B to west direction means we can consider as negative, minus direction we can consider. B to some particular point, that is 30 kilometers, that 30 kilometers we can consider as negative. Here to here, that is 20, from positive 20 we have to subtract that negative 30 kilometers, that is 20 minus 30 we will get 10, that 10 is negative minus 10 kilometers, because 30 is greater than 20, sign of 30 is negative. That's why we will get that final position, the distance is minus 10 kilometer. And in question number 7 it is given, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. Means whenever we are going to add the rows and diagonals, we will get the same sum. Here we will consider that this one is row 1, this is row 2 and this is row 3. After adding the rows, we will get the sum is 0, and diagonal, here that first diagonal, sum of first diagonals are 5, plus of minus 2, plus of minus 3. In first diagonal we will get the sum is 0, and second diagonal is given 0, plus of minus 2, plus of minus 4. We will get minus 6, we are not getting 0. That's why this is not a magic square. And in second square, here we will consider the rows and diagonals. First row plus 1, plus of minus 10, plus of 0, we will get the sum is minus 9. And in second, minus 4, plus of minus 3, plus of minus 2, again in second row also we are getting sum is minus 9. And third one also, after adding we will get minus 9. And now we will consider the diagonals. First diagonal plus 1, plus of minus 3, plus of minus 7, we will get minus 9 again. And sum of second diagonal also we are getting minus 9. Here all the sums are equal, that's why second one is a magic square. Now in question number 8, we have to verify whether that A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B for the given numbers. Here in first one, A is given 21, B is 18 given. Simply we have to put these values in the given equation. In first one we are going to put the values. A is 21, 21 minus of minus 18, here again minus of minus will, we will get plus 21 plus 18, we will get 38, LHS we are getting 39, on RHS A plus B, again A is 21 and B is 18, after adding 21 and 18 we are getting 39, now both LHS and RHS are equal. In the same way you can verify that given numbers whether this one will be satisfied or not. You can try these questions. And in question number 9, we have to put that sign whether less than, greater than or equal. After that calculating the given numbers. In first one, minus 8 plus of minus 4. Plus of minus 4, that will be minus 8 minus 4. Both are same signs, means we have to add them with the same sign, means 8 plus 4 is 12 and the same sign is minus 12. Minus 12 here we are getting, and on our RHS side is given minus 8 minus of minus 4. Minus of minus 4, that will become plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 means one is negative, one is positive. We have to subtract them. 8 minus 4 plus 4 we are getting, but which 4 that is? That will be minus 4, because 8 is greater than 4 and the sign of 8 is minus. That way we will get that minus 4. Whenever we are going to compare that minus 12 and minus 4, minus 4 is right hand side of the minus 12. That's why minus 4 is greater than minus 12. In the same way you can calculate all these. You can put the signs also. You will try, and if you are having any doubts, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group.